Facebook some face. Hey, what's up? Anyways, after that, we are going to react to the 2 videos, okay? So I'm just gonna talk through them. We're gonna cringe a lot. I think I'm gonna be reacting to private videos that I've never shown anybody before on my second channel, so go check that out. It's Andrea. It's also linked down below. These are the very first slime DIYs I have ever made. I'm not gonna lie, at this point, I think the only thing I knew was just whatever I found on Pinterest, because I genuinely had no idea what I was doing. So the first one we're gonna watch is how to make 2 kinds of slime plus the ultimate unicorn slime, because I decided that half of my title was gonna be really loud and obnoxious. Ah!
Guys, it's Andrea, and
okay.
This is a little bit different.
Why does my head look so big compared to my body?
Here's the wall.
Hey guys, what's up? Here's my table. Here's my wall. Wow, that is a great wall. I love that wall. I adore that wall. That wall is my favorite wall. You were the best. Thanks so much for that helpful info. Okay.
Made of wall.
It's also made of wall.
Who
knew?
How to make slime so that you can make your own slime videos, or you can make your own slime just because it's really fun. That is what we're doing today. I hope that you want to see that.
I'm not even into the slime DIY yet, but like, this is a lot. This is a lot for me. But in case you guys are wondering, if you want to recreate it along with me, here's what you need. Food coloring. That is such a clean and presentable table for you to put all of your things on. Definitely very aesthetic.
I don't actually know what you do with this stuff other than make slime.
You wash laundry with it, but we're taking our borax with 1 cup of water. I am not going to be making my own activator, I'm going to be honest, because, you know, I make it in gallons now. If you guys want to know what activator I use, you can follow the video, or you can check out the video I have linked down below with helpful slime tips. Those are my favorite activators. We're not going through this process, man.
We're going to glue and do that. So this is another point in the slime making where you have to sit here.
Yes, another thing that you edit out of your video.
So, yeah. Great content, right? I know. I'm proud of myself. Put this in the glue and water mixture and mix that together and get it the color you want, and then put the borax in. If you do it afterwards, it's totally not going to stick, and it's just going to be a mess. So,
I say that it's going to be a mess as my spoon is literally sitting in the bowl. I used all of my old eyeshadows for this, and I'm trying, as I was trying to find ingredients for this video to like recreate it so it was exact, I'm looking through my drawer. I don't own any eyeshadows like this, so we're going to use some highlighting palettes. I kind of love and care for my highlighting palettes, but that is the only thing we have at this point, so sure. Ooh, that's really fun. Look at that.
I don't know if you guys remember these, but they used to be super popular. They were
also, can we just take a second? Why on earth am I putting so many like glitters into a white base? That's the thing I'm asking myself right now, because if you know me now, you know that that's a huge pet peeve of mine. If you put glitter into a clear slime, awesome. It's gonna show up, it's gonna be really pretty, and I'm gonna love it. But if you put it into a white slime, it literally just looks like you ground up chalk and put it in there. So okay, another thing is I don't have pink food coloring because I use the Wilton Gel food coloring, and the pink one actually, I don't know what it is, it's some kind of chemical reaction. The pink one, when you put it in slime, it fades from pink to like a pale skin color.
Slowly pour your borax in, okay? Like seriously, slow. Ooh, gross. Ooh, yeah. Take it out and then grab it all into a ball and then just squeeze out the extra water. The goal.
No!
A solid lump of slime.
No! It makes absolutely no sense. And I'm already bored. Why did people watch it if I looked so upset that I was making it? The happy music in the background. I mean, okay. If I haven't already started playing this music, we need the same music, okay? There you go.
Slime sticks to everything.
What?
Paper towels, clothes,
Why
hair, your pets, so
I remember somebody commenting about the thing where I said it stuck to your pets. Don't worry! I did not hurt a single pet. I more did that because I thought it was funny and I didn't want you to look at the fact that I told you to dry off your slime in a paper towel, and I'm just over here casually trying to rip it back off the paper towel because I didn't realize it would stick. Don't mind me, I'm just struggling with life. This one is actually the worst. It's so bad. Oh my goodness. Okay, we'll do the best we can.
I think it's the water that's making it stick because I've never had anything stick to a container like I have this one. Oh no.
Nice table there, Andrea. Oh, we're making more borax. Like 3 minutes of this video is just me stirring borax into water. Okay, so what is this? Is this just water? Did I not give you guys specific ingredients? I don't think I gave you guys specific ingredients. I think this is just me showing you how to do something without telling you how to do it and expecting you all to be smart enough to do it. And I'm not saying you're dumb, I'm just saying there are a few people out there who watch my videos who get very confused very easily. If you're one of those people, I love you just the same. Now I have something that's clear, it's got some cool glitters in it. See, I can vibe with this one. This one looks pretty sick. I mean, I didn't really tell you how to make it at all, but I'll give you some instructions in this video if you want to do that. No, don't do it again. What are you doing? Stop. Please don't. That looks horrendous.
I'm not even kidding. This is actually probably the prettiest slime I've ever made.
No.
Seriously.
No.
I actually made a unicorn in a jar. Like, I'm not even joking. This is my proudest accomplishment.
We're gonna try rock solid.
We're gonna poke the
this
slimes.
point.
Are you ready for that? I know you can't see my face, so you don't know.
It was
if
not
I'm
my
excited or
proudest
not, but I'm
accomplishment.
actually literally.
The fact that this video got 1.5 million views, that's a pretty good accomplishment considering the trash quality. I also don't know what this music is. Are we in a Zen garden? I really hate this. Everything about this makes me uncomfortable. Well, that wasn't supposed to happen. If you managed to watch this video and you are still with me today, I love you. I will never do that to you again, except for in this video. Sorry about that. So that was the first video. Hopefully I gave you guys some instructions so you could actually follow this DIY this time if you wanted to. See, I don't think it was really bad. I just think I didn't have any idea what I was doing, and I probably should have tested the DIY before I made the video. I still don't do that, but at this point I can kind of gauge what's gonna be good and what isn't. So yeah, now we're here at the end of the video. So I recorded a reaction to my very first video and my second video, and they would not fit together unless you wanted like a 30-minute long video. The second one is gonna come out if you guys like this video. So if this video gets to 10,000 likes in the first 2 days that it's out, then I will post the second one if you guys want to see it. It's really funny too, but I just wanted to end the video really quick because I love you guys and I really hope that you liked the reaction slash DIY. I made sure to add some directions in there so that you guys could actually follow along if you guys wanted to recreate the stuff. I'm also going to be in the comments for the first hour that this video goes live. We're going to be picking notification shout outs and, you know, just hanging out with all of my beautiful little family members. Definitely go do that in the first hour. I would love to have you. I don't think I said anything in the beginning of this video, but you know, notification shout outs. Hey, what's up? I love you guys a lot. A lot of you guys have been asking me, and I'm gonna put this in the pinned comment down below, but a lot of you guys have been asking me when I post my videos. The best way to know, because my schedule is really crazy right now, I'm trying my best, but I have a lot going on that you guys don't see that I can't like show you yet. If you guys want to know when I'm posting a video, the best way to do that is to follow my Instagram, my Snapchat, or my Twitter. So definitely go and check those out. If you want to stay updated, turn on notifications there so you can know when I am posting stuff. Other than that, I love you guys very much. I'm really excited to show you. I hope that you like this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!